Hi, it's the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's first hold for a while the empty space with our finger or just pinch, and you'll see here the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets we can add. Let's just tap let's just add the calendar widget. Just to add the widget, click once on it and now it's just successfully added, or just hold and move it to your home screen. To move widgets between the screens or to create the new screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.